Hello, and welcome to the video on conditional layouts. In this video, you will learn why you need conditional layouts and how to create them. Often, it so happens that though you have created several fields in a particular layout, you don't need to fill all of them while creating a new record. The need for a set of fields and sections depends on a previous field value entered, so your CRM data is interdependent. For instance, here's a layout for an insurance company that offers life insurance, auto insurance, and travel insurance policies. While entering life insurance policy details for an applicant, an insurance agent does not require auto insurance and travel insurance details in his layout. Yet, you see all of the sections here regardless of the type of insurance chosen, even if they are irrelevant. Similarly, in your own business, you may have the need to show or hide certain fields and sections depending on certain previous field values. When you don't organize fields and sections based on their relevance to a record, you will end up with a cluttered layout that only confuses you. Conditional layouts in Zoho CRM are meant to solve exactly this requirement. Using layout rules, you can make a layout dynamic. That is, the same layout will appear differently for two different records based on field values you enter. You're not deleting fields or categorizing them. You are essentially controlling how a layout appears based on certain field values entered. This makes creating a record clutter-free and less confusing experience. Let's go back to the insurance example and see how the insurance policy module looks after layout rules have been applied on it. Here is the new conditional layout. When you select Type of Insurance as Auto Insurance, you only see fields and sections relevant to the selected type. For example, the vehicle make, color, the manufacturing year, and so on. And if you choose Life Insurance, you will see only related fields and sections. The Auto Insurance section is hidden here. Similarly, let's say you are filling in life insurance details for an applicant. If you select the marital status as married, you will see a section here called Dependent Details, which asks for your spouse's name, spouse's age, and if you have any children. If you choose marital status as single, divorced, or separated, a different set of fields will appear. Notice something else? If you update the field children as yes, entering the children's names becomes mandatory. So, in addition to hiding and showing relevant fields and sections, you can also make a field mandatory based on a field value entered. Let's now see how to achieve this for the insurance layout. Click Setup, Customization, Modules and Fields, select the Insurance Policy module. In the Layout Rules section, let's select New Layout Rule and enter the rule name as Insurance and add in a description as well. We'll choose Insurance Type as the primary field that controls this rule. The primary condition is Insurance Type is Auto. The primary field, Insurance Policy Type, controls this layout rule. The remaining fields will not appear until the primary rule is met. Click Next and let's go to the rule layout. As you can see, we have the condition added here to which we need to associate actions. There are three types of actions that you can choose from. You can choose to display fields, or an entire section, or make fields mandatory. For our example here, let's associate an action to display fields and select three fields: year, color, and vehicle make. Similarly, let's create a layout rule for life insurance and associate an action to display sections. Now, let's create another rule to map dependency between fields within the life insurance section. We're creating a layout rule for marital status. If marital status is married, we associate an action to add four fields: children, spouse's name, spouse's age, and sex. Now that we've set up our layout rules for types of insurance, let us set up a mandatory field. We're creating a condition which asks if you have any children. If this condition is true, we associate an action to show fields and select the field number of children. Let's also use the Set Mandatory Fields option, which ensures that the field name of children is mandatory. So there you have it. This is how you create conditional layouts, set up rules for those layouts, and get rid of the clutter. Thank you for watching.